What did Modi say when both of them called him for his advice? Because I'm guessing they must have, right? Without that, nothing happens in the world. What would Modi have said? What does it mean for India?
I do think Modi would have told them that this is not an era of war. I know Trump listened to that. Maybe she didn't. But I know deep within his heart, he wants that to be a reality. In fact, if you look at the Chinese readout, they say that we're not naive. We understand that the US and China are continue to going to compete, and the only thing that the two sides can hope for is that competition is stabilized and managed, and it the trajectory of the ties tends towards something he articulated as peace in prospect. So prospectively the ties should be peaceful, even though they will be competitive and contentious. So that's what the status of the relationship has come to. Both sides, especially the Chinese, acknowledge that it's never going back to status quo ante. So in that sense, I guess they're heeding, they're
Modiji's advice.
bidding for Modi's dictum somewhere or the other. But I think for India, aside from the business deals, it is on a broader level, on a paradigmatic level, it is important to acknowledge that if Trump's going to be the kind of guy who bilateralizes the China relationship completely, he does not care if there's a second party or a group of three or a multilateral that jointly tries to meet the China challenge. It's going to be an issue, right? Because for India, and in India, for the longest time, we thought that the mutual China challenge was a glue that was holding the India US relationship together. And the past few years have been evidence that that was not the case. And it just needed someone with a more proactive mindset as Trump, right? To make that background reality come up front.